little bit. I noticed I've been driving a little low lately. My seat's been low as fuck. Y'all weren't getting a good view of my last video, but fuck it. I still watched though, right? Hopefully I did. I told you I was gonna be consistent. I'm not dropping almost every day, but it's better than nothing at all, right? Y'all wasn't getting nothing from me for a little minute. Fun fact, I got arrested just crossing that train track right there. Y'all gonna call me to make some goddamn some little Instagram videos. See, I can see, like right now, I usually go in with an idea. But right now I really don't got an idea. I'm just cruising around, see what I find, bro. Let's see what I find, bro. I usually don't really be looking for spots around this area. I don't really like this area too much. No keys at. Right there scared me a couple of times. I thought it was a cop. What y'all thinking, bro? What type of shorts y'all want to see? Like little short videos. Cause that's how I usually get y'all attention, I think, in my opinion. I get your attention with the shorts, so I gotta keep coming with the shorts, you know what I'm saying? You did? But nah, but right now I'm not flooring too much because the motor mounts are fucked up to the max. I already found I already got the mounts. They get here in 2 more days, I think. As soon as they get here, they're getting put on. You know what I'm saying? Pushka. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna make a phone call. I might pull up on somebody real quick. Alright. I'm gonna keep the camera right here low because I don't want to expose nobody's addy, but goddamn, bruh. Motherfucker asleep. Everybody be asleep, bruh. I'm gonna pull up on good old Reliable. I goddamn Belly. He's asleep too, but I'm gonna. Oh fuck! I don't give a fuck about waking his ass up. Damn! Goddamn piece of shit. Nah, but yeah, goddamn, we got this fucking bando right here, right next to Villa's crib. What y'all think? Think I should buy it? No, I'm fucking with y'all. I would never buy a house in this hood. I fucking hate this hood with a passion. But I might use it for a goddamn video right now, bro. Might just work out for the one time type shit. The fuck it. Damn, they fucking broke this shit, bro. Look at this shit. I got slides on, bro. I've been wearing the sweats. I'm about some new sweats, bro. I'm starting to get tired of these hoes. I got a shitload of them, but I don't like them. No cap. Whoever detailed my car while I was in the shop, they fucked my shit up. Look at this shit. I know y'all can see it. This bitch got swirls now, bro. I mean, they already had some, but it wasn't this bad. I'm gonna have to get it paint corrected. whoever was the detail guy is fucking trash, bro. I mean, and then, you know, I got shit like this. Not kiss somebody with it. It's a little crack right there. Fuck it. I got this fixed though. My fresh little haircut. No cap. What they got back here? Imagine if there's some scary ass shit in there. I would have ran like a hoe. God damn. Yeah, bruh. I don't know. I don't really got too many ideas. I always filled with ideas, but shit, not right now. Shit, I guess. This whole look clean as fuck, don't it, though? Just can't stop looking at it like, damn. Damn, this bit hard as fuck. Simple but clean as shit. Clean, durable, hard as fuck, decently fast, no cap. Photo from Moho's. Oh shit. I got my fucking shiesties right here. Look, a couple of them. Scared the shit out of me, no cap. Y'all think this house haunted? Damn. I'm more just staring to see somebody's in there. Small ass little house though, I ain't gonna lie. Not worried, bro. Alright, last spot. Who's cool? It's right here. Nah, you know what? I don't feel like I'm gonna record at night for a little bit for y'all. And then I'm gonna call it a day. Fuck it. I'm gonna make it up to y'all later. I'm gonna go eat. I'm fucking hungry. I haven't ate all day, bro. Fuck it. Alright, we back. Goddamn. Let me say, I'm bust a bitch. It's late at night. Well, not late at night, but I told you I was gonna come back at night. Give y'all a little POV drive at night. You did. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna show you how it looks in the outside in a bit. I got enough gas though, I think. Yup. Let's go. Rule number one, when you step out the car at night, make sure you got the strap. Rule number two, make sure you got the key on you, bro. Fucking throw away this bullshit. This shit's been bothering for a little minute. Oh my god, fucking trash. I swear. Should be pissing me off. Hey, look at this bit, bro. You be wondering how the fuck I can see out of it. I can barely see out of it like a hoe. Oh, let's go, my boy. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna have to record this shit in cinematic so it can look better at nighttime, bro, for y'all. The other this shit look trash as fuck. Let's go. I want to see how it looks in cinematic. I can kind of hear my engine bouncing a tad bit because the goddamn motor mounts are fucked up. It really bothers me, bruh. That's why I ordered all 3 of them. Can't have this car goddamn all messed up like that. If only I could feel the instant torque. Nah, but yeah, bro. Well, I don't know what I was talking to y'all about earlier, but does it look better on cinematic at nighttime? Y'all let me know. I record like this. God damn, shit sound ugly. Oh, that shit sound ugly. God damn. No disrespect to y'all boys. God damn, I don't like the way it sounds. Bro. That shit don't sound good, bro. Give me gas, my boy. You over here making all this noise. Holy shit, curves. God damn, bro. Oh, what the fuck are you doing, dog? Switch gears, god damn. That thing do not sound that good, bro. That shit sound like a goddamn, like it wants to get put down type stuff. Alright, I gotta figure something out real quick. You think I gotta go all the way straight? Yeah, bro, get the fuck on out of here, bro. No cap. I would gap you, but it ain't even worth it. God damn. You probably don't even want to smoke. I would advise them to stay the fuck away from me. What the fuck is that smell? Hey, y'all peep. My car is hella silent when I'm cruising it. It don't be doing all that extra shit, no cap. That's why I haven't made it any louder, cause I like this cruise. When I cruise my shit, I like my shit silent sometimes, bro. You know what I'm saying? It ain't quite quiet. Like in person, you can hear it like just a tad little bit. It ain't no goddamn Corolla quiet when you cruising like this, but shit, I don't want to hear that shit right there, bro. That shit will give me a headache. I've been in cars like that, bro. That shit be headaches like a motherfucker, and the fumes that come out that shit. Man, fuck all that on the cool. Y'all be telling me to get my shit loud, bro. If y'all hear my shit in person, that shit is loud as fuck. Loud enough, you know what I'm saying? I don't want my shit where a cop can hear me like 4 blocks away. Like, I don't have situations where cops pull up on me talking about they just follow the noise on my car and they fucking pull me over. I mean, they couldn't give me a ticket because they were assuming it was my car, but they did follow the noise towards me type shit. Imagine if my shit was louder, bro. They'll find my shit hella easier. If I were to allegedly take out, bro, they gonna hear. I mean, I won't be able to get away because they just gotta follow the sound. You know what I'm saying? And be being realistic. No cap. Here comes a Charger. Oh, a Mustang. V6. we got right here? A V6 Charger, goddamn. Damn. Both of them let me down hard as fuck. Nah, but I'm gonna call it for this video right here, bro. Shit. It's a little chilling video, but I'm gonna keep on dropping these bitches. No cap. I'm putting in that work. Y'all see me putting in that motherfucking work. God damn it. Goddamn. I haven't seen in none of my other videos, but like, comment, subscribe since I've been dropping back to back.